So once again, a very good evening to each and everyone present over here. Good evening, students. Good evening, parents, all well-wishers, friends, teachers, fathers, and everybody who have made this program a reality. Well, now, over here, right now, before we commence with this lovely program, I would like to invite our chief guest this evening, Father Francisco Pereira, SDB, Rector and Superior of Dominic Savio Community and Manager of St. Dominic Savio High School, Andheri, and our guest of honor, Satish Mishra, who is the Associate Editor of Navbharat Times. As they enter in, requesting everyone to kindly stand up and welcome them with thunderous applauses. Come on. Come on, everyone. Round of applause for them. Come on. Kindly be seated, everybody. हम लोग आवाज नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम लोग आवाज नहीं कर रहे. You only talk. So as we commence this lovely program, I would like to invite Father Ethup to give us a welcome note. Everyone, put your hands together. Father Ethup, come on, everybody.
Good evening, friends. I thought I will be asked to do this after a program, and that's the usual. This is ahead of that. So, dear Father Francisco, the Salesian Community Rector, and Mr. Satish Verma, the editor of Navbharat Times. In the name of Father Saled, our superior and director, who ran this entire program with the support of Father Chinnappa, along with some teachers and volunteers. So in their name, I want to welcome you all to this evening's program. And I know that it will be a heartwarming, colorful evening. And this began on 10th of April. And this is going to be the concluding celebration of their hard work together. So I welcome you heartily and relax and celebrate. And I will invite Father Joseph, who would especially welcome our chief guest and the guest of honor.
No, here. It's my privilege to introduce to you our guest today, the chief guest, Father Francisco Pereira, SDB, Salesian of Don Bosco, Mumbai province. He has a bachelor's in commerce, specialized in accountancy and economics, master's in theology from Bangalore, ordained a priest in 1997, a religious for 36 years. His appointments have been in Don Bosco, Matunga, Nashik, and in Virar, and in Vadodara, Gujarat, and for many years, 2009 to 2023 in Kuwait. Just now, you were saying that about the temperature in Kuwait and how the temperature is much cooler in Mumbai. Okay, so many years in Kuwait, and appointed as the main liturgist for the papal visit in Bahrain in the year 2022, and at present, Father Francisco is appointed director and manager of St. Dominic Savio School and Boys Home at Andheri. Father, we are very happy to have you as the chief guest of this program. And we have with us our guest of honor, who is none other than Mr. Satish Mishra, the associate editor of Navbharat Times. 2 decades he worked as a sports editor. Sports being his main forte, he went and covered 5 Olympics. The year 2000, 2004, 2008, 2012, and 2016. 5 ICC Cricket World Cups, along with 126 test matches, beside many international hockey, football, badminton tournaments. He was also the vice president of Mumbai Press Club, Mumbai Marathi Patrakar Sangh. Sir, we are very happy, and it's heartwarming that you are with us as the guest of honor. Now, may I invite Father Ethup to honor the guests.
Thank you, Father Joseph MT and Father Etub for those lovely wise words and introduction of our guest.
Living in this crazy world, so caught up into confusion, nothing's making any sense for me and you. Living in this crazy world, so caught up into confusion, nothing's making any sense for me and you. Maybe we can find a way. There's gonna be a solution. How to make a brighter day? What do we do? Maybe we can find a way. There's gonna be a solution. How to make a brighter day? What do we do? We've got to give a little love, have a little hope, make this world a little better. Try a little more, harder than before. Let's do what we can do together. Oh, oh, oh. We can really make it better. Oh, oh, oh. La, 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 only if we try. Oh, oh, oh. We can really make it better. Oh, oh, oh. La, 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 only if we try. Got the worries on our minds, got the troubles on our shoulders. Sometimes it seems so much. What do we do? Got the worries on our minds, got the troubles on our shoulders. Sometimes it seems so much. What do we do? Maybe if we have the time, try to understand each other. How to make a brighter day? What do we do? Maybe if we have the time, try to understand each other. How to make a brighter day? What do we do? We got to give a little love, have a little hope, make this world a little better. Try a little more, harder than before. Let's do what we can do together. Oh, oh, oh. We can really make it better. Oh, oh, oh. La, 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 only if we try. Oh, oh, oh. We can really make it better. Oh, oh, oh. La, 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 only if we try. Oh, oh, oh. We can really make it better. Oh, oh, oh. La, 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 only if we, only if we, only if we. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good.
Thank you.
So parents, did you all enjoy the song? I can't hear you. One more time, a round of applause for our lovely children. Come on, everyone. Make some noise. Boo-hoo them. Go on, everyone. Woo! ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत है, पिक्चर तो बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. They say that, right? So this is just the beginning. You are going to have a fantastic evening. So now all my students, please sit down. Your parents have already said you did a fantastic job. So sit down. Well, right now, as the students are getting ready for the next performance, well, they say the show must go on. What is after summer camp? Summer camp khatam ho jayega, uske baad kya? You are going to wait for an entire year to come back again? No. Gyan Ashram Music and Dance Academy provides you with lots and lots of activities throughout the year. In the form of dancing, we have got Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Bollywood style dancing, Western dancing. In the form of singing, we have got Hindustani vocals, light vocals, we have got Western vocals. In the form of instruments, we have got electronic keyboards, guitar, drums. In the Indian category, we have got harmonium, tabla, sitar. So there are so many activities out here for the children, and not forgetting you parents. Even you also can be a part of it. The oldest student of Gyan Ashram is almost 78 years old. So y'all are still very young. Ladies are beautiful, men are handsome. So y'all can be a part and come back soon, and we all are waiting for all of you all to be a part of this academy. The next program on the list is a lovely Hindi song trained by one of our teachers of the academy, Mansi teacher. Put your hands together for them, everybody. Come on.
Hello.
Hello, check. Come on, parents, you can give a round of applause for them. Come on, make it louder, come on. And now we have got the students, the elder students behind the boys and all to come forward, because now it's time for our Dhurendra sir, who has trained them up for the singing. Please come forward. Check. Well, one thing I would like to tell your parents, that is, the students are not professionals out here. In this summer camp only they have learned all this. So I think so you all should give them, be more generous in your claps for all of them. Don't clap only for your child, clap for everybody. Because it's really amazing to see the children over here grow in such a less time in different activities. So hats off to them, and parents, thank you for choosing Gyan Ashram as the place to mold your children. This is just the beginning. We have got lots more in store.
उसमें रिवर्ब नहीं
Check, check.
नीचे आ जाओगे इधर लो चलेगा चलो हाँ ठीक है स्टार्ट स्टार्ट
once again, a round of applause for the students of the summer camp and for the wonderful songs taught by Mansi teacher and Durendra sir. Everybody, put your hands together once again for them. पेरेंट्स लोग आगे मत आओ वीडियो शूटिंग के लिए और फोटोग्राफी के लिए, लेकिन मेरा हिंदी कोई समझता नहीं है, मेरा गुजराती भी समझता नहीं है, तो मैं अभी कौन सी भाषा में बोलूं? Understood, हाँ. I told so sweetie, cameraman is there, all are shouting at me, वो उधर क्या कर रही है, तो मैं क्या करूँ, वो क्या कर रही है उधर? I know we all are excited, but please, I require you all to cooperate with us, parents. Thank you so much. Once again, a round of applause for our students of the summer camp. Come on, everybody, make some noise. Well, now we move on to our next item of the evening. For that, first, the students. All right, the next item for the evening is public speaking. It has been trained by our very own Dr. John Rodrigues. So I would like Dr. John Rodrigues to please come out here, and I hand over the mic to you.
Thank you so much. A very good evening to all. Can't hear you. Good evening. Okay. So when I came here, some children were very good in public speaking, but many were not. And you can see now the fruits of what they have done in the last 1 month. So I'll introduce my team here. So first we have Alice and a team. On a big hand to Alice, and she will be speaking on POCSO. Anyone has heard this word POCSO? It's a defense act. I spoke on this, protection of children against sexual offenses. I repeat, protection of children against sexual offenses, and this act came into India in 2012. A child below 18 years requires protection. And here the team Alice, a big hand to Alice and a team. Please, Alice and your team on the center. A louder clap, and she will be highlighting you about POCSO and POCSO Act. Over to you, Alice.
Hello. Good evening, fathers, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Alice, and today I would like to raise awareness about the POCSO Act. POCSO stands for Protection of Children from Sexual Offenses. This act was passed in the year 2012 to provide protection for children from offenses of sexual assault and harassment while safeguarding the interests of the child. Despite common belief, this act is not only concerned for girls, but for all children under the age of 18. Offenders can be subjected to imprisonment for a minimum of 10 years. Children should be taught how to identify if someone is touching them inappropriately and to notify a trusted adult. To help children understand the difference between good touch and bad touch, we have some students demonstrate it. Good touch. Good touch is when the contact leaves you feeling happy and comfortable. A good touch doesn't make you feel uneasy. An example for good touch is a hug or a high five from your friends or family. We have Nicole and Sienna demonstrate a good touch of hugging.
So they are feeling very nice. A big hand to the volunteers.
We now have Jordan and Gurmeet demonstrate the good touch of hugging.
Among boys, what is a good touch? A big hand to the boys.
Bad touch is when the contact leaves you feeling uneasy and uncomfortable. Anyone touching you near your lips, chest, crotch, or hips is a bad touch. If anyone touches you there, you must shout no and inform your parents. We now have the girls demonstrate the bad touch of pinching.
So children understand when it is bad touch. You say, what do you say when the bad touch?
We now have the boys demonstrate the bad touch of pinching.
No.
Boys all together, what do you say? Bad touch?
We now have the girls demonstrate the bad touch of touching at inappropriate areas.
big hand to the volunteers.
We now have the boys demonstrate the bad touch of touching at inappropriate areas. I would like to conclude by once again urging you, the adults, to remain vigilant for any signs of abuse in your child. Thank you for listening patiently, and I hope we managed to enlighten you about the topic of POCSO. Thank you.
Definitely a big hand to the POCSO and the team. I think the clap is pretty less. I think they deserve a bigger clap. Thank you so much, POCSO team. Now we have the second speaker, Riva, who would be enlightening us her experience when she came here on 10th April and what was the personal experience with the summer camp. Over to you, Riva.
Good evening, fathers, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Riva Dias, and I would like to share y'all my experience in this summer camp. I came to know the summer camp through friends and school. Initially, I was a bit apprehensive and nervous to join. But later, I was determined to learn something and take up new challenges of learning. I joined the camp on 10th April. I found the fathers and teachers very friendly. As the days went by, I made new friends. I would like to share this experience with Father Itup's talk, where I was a bit confused about my career. But after attending his session, I was more clear and confident about choosing my career. Initially, I was a bit negative about my participation in singing and karaoke activities. But when I was given opportunities in this camp, I became more positive and confident about my singing qualities. There's a saying, and I quote, "If you can walk, you can dance. And if you can talk, you can sing." Therefore, the take-home message is that every child who joins this camp becomes more positive, confident, happier in learning new things in sports, art, singing, dance, public speaking, etc. Thank you so much for your patient hearing.
Thank you so much, Riva. Big hand to her. A louder clap. I think she said everything in just one day she's done it. We had a replacement and Riva took it challengingly, and just in 24 hours she's prepared this. Thank you, Riva. And now we have the third speaker. A big hand to Sanvi, and she'll be highlighting on the health tips and what a child should eat and not. I had this tip session with the children. So over to you, Sanvi. A big hand to Sanvi.
Good evening, fathers, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Sanvi Jain, and today I am going to tell you about health tips. 5 healthy nutrients are protein, carbohydrates, fats, minerals, and vitamins. 70% of our body contains of water, so you should drink 8 glasses of water a day. If it is summer season, 10 glasses of water. You should at least take a 8 to 9 hours sleep. Exercise every day. Your body needs a maintenance of 30 minutes walk or exercise. If you don't have time for fitness, your body will have lots of time for sickness. Thank you.
A big hand to Sanvi. Hope you got a take-home message. So Sanvi wants all of you to be healthy from today. So kindly follow these healthy tips. A bigger hand to Sanvi and the health tips. And we have the last speaker. A big hand to Devika. And she will share her individual experience in the last 20 odd days at the summer camp. A big hand to Devika.
Good evening, fathers, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Devika, and today I am going to talk about summer camp. Summer camp is an enjoyable activity to enjoy your summer vacations. Summer camp is the best way to use your valuable time except watching mobile and television. You can use your time in various activities such as music, dance, health tips, personality development, public speaking, drama, drawing, craft, and many more things. All those children who have missed their summer camp this year can enroll their children for the next year, 2020-25. I, Devika, on behalf of all the summer camp students 2024, wish to thank the head of the summer camp, Father Salid Nathan, the organizing team, the teachers and the parents of the students in a very special way for making our holidays such a joyful and memorable lifetime experience. Thank you once again and 3 cheers to the summer camp holiday organization. Thank you. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray! Thank you so much, Devika. I think they need all of you. Please come ahead. The whole team, Alice and her team, Riva, Devika, and Sanvi. A big hand to all of them. Thank you so much.
The summer camp was not meant only for singing and dancing, but also awareness, social awareness, which every child has understood very well. Once again, put your hands together for Dr. John, everybody, and for the lovely students of our summer camp. Well, as we move ahead, we have got now, it's time for dance now, everybody. Okay, I'm not letting you all to dance so early. We'll dance at the end, all the parents, in joy and excitement. Right now, we are going to have the Punjabi dance trained by one of the teachers of our Gyan Ashram Music and Dance Academy. Please put your hands together for the summer camp students who are going to dance Punjabi dance trained by Prabjeet teacher. And it's Group A, the smaller, tiny angels. Come on, make some noise for them, everyone. Come on. So as they are getting ready, I need to make a small announcement, everybody. Gyan Ashram also provides activities like yoga, meditation, karaoke singing, and also Gyan Ashram is having its own studio. So those parents out here who have got a melodious voice and who would like to do some recordings, you can come in Gyan Ashram and do the recordings. We have got our very own studio over here for recordings. So please avail the facilities of this amazing academy. Put your hands together for Gyan Ashram, everybody. And the song they are going to dance on is Morni Banke.
चली जाती है, किथे चली जाती है, पूछना है कोई सवाल, वो दस दे को बारियां किसने तुला, दूरों दूरों जानी है, जान कट जानी है, इन्हें भी रख रहे तू करे ना सोनी है, इन्हें भी रख रहे तू करे ना सोनी है, दिल मेरा तेरे लिए आज फिर कितने चलनी है, मोर नहीं बन के आज फिर कितने चलनी है, मोर नहीं बन के संडे को लेके सैटरडे आज फिर कितने चलनी है, मोर नहीं बन के
and gentlemen, put your hands together for our lovely children out here. Come on, make some noise. Well, it's really so amazing to see all of them dancing in rhythm. And mind you, they are just children aged 3 and 4. So I think so. You need to give them even much more round of applause. Be generous in your claps, everyone. Come on. Well, coming up next is the Bollywood dance trained by Miss Shobika, Group A. Again, the small, little tiny angels on the stage. We will be seeing all of you all for the first time, so many of you all. And they are all set to blow your mind. Are you ready? Are you ready? Only the mummies are shouting. What about the fathers? Are you ready? All right, here we go.
जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा चल मसल फुलाना थोड़ी बॉडी बनाना मेरी चिकन डालो टेस्ट कमल की फसल उगाना अरे रे रे अबे चल बेटा शुरू हो जा शुरू बगल उठा के थोड़ा घियो लगाना किसी बगल वाली को मर्दानी खुशबू सुनाना चल ऊपर से तो बटन ढीले करके बताना वालों वाला सीना दिखाना वालों वाला सीना दिखाना परसों तलक तू साइकिल पे घुमा है हाईवे पे मोटर साइकिल भगा के देख स्पीड में तुझको अगर सर्दी लगे तो स्पीड के पीछे लड़की बिठा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा
Come on, everyone, clap your hands for them. Come on, keep clapping. Check. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a round of applause for our lovely children. Come on, everybody. Well, there's a small announcement for everybody. Parents, if your child finishes performing, the program is not over. Huh? I can see some parents taking the children walking. Rickshaw aa gaya udhar pe, ja rahe wo log. Jao, no problem. Certificate milne wala nahi hai. End mein milne wala certificate. We also last activity. Last, everybody are going to get certificate. मम्मी लेके जाके बोलने का नहीं certificate चाहिए. ठीक है? बैठो. All right, everybody. So once again, the new academic year begins in the month of June. So all my parents out here, if you want to put your children for the various activities, come and contact the reception or contact Father Chinnappa or Father Salad as soon as possible. Before your leave today, I need you all to contact them and gain some information of what are the other activities provided over here. Keep Keeping that in mind, we are moving on to our next performance, and it is Gujarati dance. All right. Gana barabar tha, galti se mistake hota hai kabhi. All right, we have got the next performance, a Bharatnatyam dance performance trained by Lakshmi teacher of the Gyan Ashram Music and Dance Academy. Put your hands together for the lovely Bharatnatyam dance.
Tom taga tom kita taga da junutam taga junutam. Tom taga tom kita taga da junutam taga junutam tajam tajam junutam taga junutam tom taga tom kita taga da junutam taga junutam. Junutam, taga junutam, tum taga dom, kita taga da junutam, taga junutam, tajam tajam, kita taga da junutam, taga junutam, tum taga dom, kita taga da junutam, taga junutam, tajam tajam, junutam, taga junutam, tum taga dom, kita taga da junutam, taga junutam, tajam tajam, kita taga da junutam. Tajam, tarigida daga dhim tajam, tarigida daga dhum tajam, tarigida daga nam tajam, tarigida daga ram tajam, tarigida daga dhim dhim tajam, tarigida daga dhum dhum tajam, tarigida daga nam tajam, tarigida daga tham, tarigida rim, tarigida dhum, tarigida nam, tarigida dham, tarigida dhim, tarigida dhum, tarigida nam, tarigida daga taridajam, 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 tagadhum, taridajam, 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 tagadhum, taridajam, taridajam, tagadhum, taridajam, 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 tagadhum, tarigida tarigida dhum tarigida dhum tarigida dhim 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 tajam 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 tarigida tarigida dhum tarigida dhum tarigida dhim dhim tajam 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 tarigida tarigida dhum tarigida dhum tarigida dhim dhim tajam 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 tarigida janmu takta Jamu taka dimita, jamu taka dimita, dimita kata, dimita kata, talang daga to, ditalang daga to, talang daga to, taga jadi kila tumpa.
Ladies and gentlemen, we haven't forgotten our culture, and this all dances, different types of dances from Kathak to Bharatnatyam, everything is provided out here at this lovely center. So please, if you want your child to get maximum exposure in this type of dances, you can come and join the classes, contact the office. All right, now I would like to invite our guest of honor, Mr. Satish Mishra, to please come and enlighten our lovely audience out here. Put your hands together for our guest of honor, everybody. Keep clapping, keep clapping. आपको और मेरे को एक ही चीज करने का है, clapping. चलो. Thank you so much, parents. You all are the support and motivators for these lovely children. Yes, sir.
Very good evening to everyone. Respected Father Francisco Pereira, Father Salet, and all officials who are connected with this such a beautiful and successful summer camp of 2024. You know, while connected to the education, there is a saying that education teaches you how to walk alone. But there are two things. One is growing and second thing is blooming. The growing comes with the education, while the blowing comes with the such extracurricular activities like what we have seen today. And I really, from heart, congratulate all those people who are connected to such beautiful summer camp of this Gyan Ashram. I haven't seen, अगर मैं इतनी सालों में इतना कुछ मैंने कैंप अटेंड किए हैं, सब कुछ देखा है, लेकिन एक जो बास्केट होती है ना, जिसको कहते हैं जैसे गुलाब की एक फूल होता है, you have a different petals in the one flower. So these are all petals in different wings and which are most important. तुम्हाला काय वाटतं, खरं आहे की नाही मी जे काय बोलतोय? जसं ॲज अ पॅरेंट तुम्हाला पण हवं असेल की लोकांनी मुलांनी दुसरं काडी पण शिकावं, फक्त एज्युकेशन नाही. हे जे इतकं इम्पॉर्टंट आहे ते पण लाईफसाठी तेच असं एक पार्ट आहे. आणि and for that, all this I really appreciate and congratulate everyone who are connected with you. And I'm not here to give any speech. I'm just here to congratulate and say only one thing, which they have planned to continue such activities full throughout year. And for that, I think so everyone should participate and extend to that thing. Once again, I really thank everyone for this, such a summerful camp. Thank you.
Just wait, sir, just wait. Okay. Once again, round of applause for our guest of honor, everybody. Come on. Well, sir, we would like you to wait for some time because we would like you to felicitate the students of Group A, and we would like to invite the captain of Group A, little lovely girl, Caroline Fernandez, who will come. She is the captain of Group A team, so she will collect the certificates on behalf of all the children of Group A. Put your hands together for everybody. Come on. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Well, it's a spot prize now. It is spot prize for all the mothers. So any mummy over here who has got the maximum number of 500 rupee notes, because I believe fathers don't have anything. The mothers are only having everything. Maximum number of 500 rupee notes. Which mother is having out here? Mother, auntie, nani, dadi. Come fast, come on. Come on, faster, come fast. Come fast. Ratsa, stand here only. Come, Marks are here, Ratsa here. Come here. Who? I'm counting till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stop, come here. Raj sir is here, Mark sir is here. They will find out who has got maximum 500 rupee notes. My mummy told don't interfere when it is ladies. Okay, it's done. I can see someone collecting 500 from everybody. Sales tax. Hey, you count.
Chalo 21 shares. Yeah, your name, ma'am. 25 now. Winner change. Winner change. Okay. 28, 29. अरे पूरा बैंक लूट के लाएंगे मैडम.
Okay. And the winner is?
29. Tell your name.
My name is Rinki Mishra.
And I would like Father Salad to please give the prize to Madam. Everyone, round of applause. Now Madam has decided she will go and enroll for 5 activities. 22, 500 event. Wow, it's getting excited. The next item for the evening is the Gujarati dance. The Gujarati dance trained by Prabhjit, teacher of Gyanashram Music and Dance Academy. Mind you, parents, the kids have learned all these dances in the summer camp. So you can be so proud of your child. So many dances, so many song performances. So hats off to them. Once again, oh my God, what happened to him? Baba, not Mount Everest. Oh, Baba, oh, hello. Huh. He thought it was Leh Ladakh, no? White sofa, mountain. Yeah. He's like got stuck there now. Good. So put your hands together for the students of the summer camp who are going to perform on the song, I don't know. Nagara, everybody. Put your hands together once again. Come on, everybody, clap your hands for them. Come on. I can't hear the clap. It's louder. All right, everybody, make some noise for the students of the summer camp. Come on. Well, the next performance is by the students of summer camp, obviously, and they are going to perform a Tamil dance. And the Tamil dance has been trained by our very own Father Salet. All right, he is a composer, he is a singer, and now you'll see his dancing skills also. To the children, Father will not come up. Come on, students, are we ready? Put your hands together, everybody, for the lovely Tamil dance. Come on.
Vaya, vaya, poya, poya. Vaya, vaya, poya, poya. Ulogama, melogama. Agayama, adalama. Amadi atadiyo. Veti varinjikate. Paata polandukate. Veti varinjikate. Ai paata polandukate. Vaya, vaya, poya, poya. Vaya, 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 vaya.
Yahoo, 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 yahoo. Yahoo, 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 yahoo.
முருங்க மரம் கிடைக்காம நான் இங்கே வந்தேன் உறங்க இடம் கிடைச்சாச்சு மச்சான் மச்சான் படுக்க துணை கிடைக்காம நான் இங்கே வந்தேன் பல பேர் அறிமுகமாச்சு ஐ மச்சான் மச்சான் உல்லாசம் உண்டாச்சு சந்தோஷம் வந்தாச்சு எல்லாரும் என்னோட அண்ணாச்சி தான் ஊரு உறங்குறப்பு நாம மட்டும் முடிச்சிருப்போம் கொஞ்சம் கொடுச்சக்க கொடுச்சக்க யாரு கேட்கறது நம்ம பாக்குறது போயாத பேயாட்டந்தா வேட்டி வரைஞ்சுக்கட்டு அட பாட்ட பிறந்துக்கட்டு வய வயா போயா போயா வய வயா யா வாழும் வரையில தாண்டா வேண்டாடி சண்டை செத்தா பிரிவுகள் ஏது மச்சான் மச்சான் பேசும் வரையில தாண்டா வேண்பா சண்டை நமக்கு அது கிடையாது மச்சான் மச்சான் நாடேது நீடேது நாம் வாழக்கூடியது நாம் போகும் ஊரெல்லாம் அம்மூருதான் சொந்தம் நமக்கு எடுக்கு அஸ்கு ஜஸ்கு புஸ்கு புஸ்கு சொட்டு சகம் நமக்கு எடுக்கு ஐயோ போனா போன இடம் வந்தா வந்த இடம் இந்நாளும் எந்நாளும் வேட்டி வரைஞ்சுக்கட்டு பாட்ட பொழுந்துக்கட்டு வய வாயா போயா போயா வய வாயா போயா போயா உலோகமா நீலோகமா ஆகாயமா பாதாளமா அம்மாடி ஆத்தாடியோ வேட்டி வரைஞ்சுக்கட்டு.
So everybody, clap hands for them, come on. Well, everyone, make some noise for those lovely, lovely boys. So what is Vaya Vaya Poya Poya? What's the meaning of that? What means Vaya Vaya? Audience, Vaya Vaya means go go, come come, what? Go go. Father, right? Vaya Vaya means go go. Oh, opposite. Poya Poya means go go. Vaya Vaya means come come. So parents, Vaya Vaya. Don't say for me, Poya Poya. So once again, friends, it's time. Our lovely children are all set to mesmerize your minds with a lovely Western dance performance trained by the teachers of the Gyanashram Music and Dance Academy, Miss Nikita and Miss Shobika. Put your hands together, everybody, for the lovely students who have been trained by Miss Nikita Shukla and Miss Shobika.
Guess we believe it. Look who we are. We are the dream. We made it happen. Cause we can see it. Yes, we want. Nothing crashing. It's magic. Oh yeah. Yes, we want. It's magic. Oh yeah. Gather round now, look at me. Respecting not the only way. If you want to come join me, the door is open to every. This one just to rendezvous all in life. This what we do, how we do. Look who we are. We are the dreamers. We make it happen. Guess we believe it. Look who we are. We are the dreamers. We make it happen. Cause we can see it. It's true. Like it crashing. It's magic. Oh yeah. It's true. It's magic. Oh yeah.
Come on, everybody, make some noise for them.
We make it happen. Guess we believe it. Look who we are. We are the dreamers. We make it happen. Cause we can see it. It's true. Like it crashing. It's magic. Oh yeah. It's true. It's magic. Oh yeah.
Come on, everybody, make some noise for them. Wow, awesome, everyone. Come on, clap your hands for them. Come on, everyone, clap your hands. Well, just to let you all know, we have got vocal classes also in Gyan Ashram. That is your Hindi vocals, light vocals, classical singing, Western vocals. This is also for the children and for the adults. If you want to know the timings of all the teachers who are teaching different types of genres of vocals, Western, like for example, the welcome song which was done in the start, Give It a Love, was by the Western vocal teacher. The Hindi songs were done by the Hindi music teachers of us, of Gyan Ashram Music and Dance Academy. So, you all can contact the receptionist and she can guide you all. Well, now moving on, we would like to invite our chief guest, Father Francisco Pereira, SDB, to enlighten our lovely audience. Put your hands together, everybody, for Father Francisco Pereira. Come on, make some noise, everyone. Yes, Father.
A very good evening to all of you. In the very first place, I'm honored to be called here to be the chief guest for this beautiful evening program. I'd like to thank Father Salat and all his team of the fathers of the SVDs. They are SVDs, I'm SDB. Yes, but we sometimes sound together, but we are all priests working for education. I'd like to also thank you, dear parents, in a very special way, because of you that these children are here. And also to our guest of honor, Mr. Satish Mishra, for being here because he is an associate editor of Navbharat Times, a man who has experienced a lot and who has promised to be of help to our institution here at Gyan Ashram. To give you a message, once God was planning the creation, and while planning creation, he called all the birds to come to the ground. And in the center of the ground, he put different types of wings, pairs of wings, some big, some small, colorful ones. And he called all the birds to come there in the morning. So all of them hopped and they came. And when they came, they found wings there. And God said, I have not put wings for you, but you can choose which one you want. You put it on your back and you can go. And so the little parrot came hopping, looked at its color, little greenish in color, saw some green color feathers, put it on its back, said thank you to God, and hopped back. And like that, the sparrow, the crow. Then an eagle came, looked at many pairs of wings that were there, and selected double or more than that of its size, big, huge. Struggled to put it on the back, said thank you to God, hopped. And after some time, there was an ostrich also that came. And the ostrich also looked at all those wings that were there and selected the smallest, put it on his back, said thank you to God, and hopped. And like that, all the birds put. And everybody started flying. But after some time, they noticed there was a bird right up in the sky and flying very majestically, without any difficulty. And they said, wow, who is that creature? And somebody nudged somebody and said, that's that eagle that selected the biggest pair of wings. And when they looked the other side, they found the ostrich still hopping because it has small wings and were not flying. And today, everybody says the eagle is the king in the sky, whereas the ostrich still today cannot fly. And this is my message to you. Gyan Ashram has been giving these opportunities every year, not only for the summer, but throughout the year. Especially now at the Summer Camp 24, they have been throwing these wings, these opportunities to all of you. And your parents have made the exception to send you for this summer camp so that you can grow. And these wings were given to you. You can be an eagle or you can be an ostrich. But the very fact that you have come here this evening for this summer camp from 10th of April, 160 plus of you, is that you want to become eagles. Opportunities are given to you. You have come here this evening also to show us the talents that you have. I'm sure during this month or so, you have learned something new. As Mr. Mishra was also saying, it's not just education, but also other things. As one of you said, if you can talk, you can sing. If you can walk, you can dance. All of us do have something with us. I'd like to thank the fathers, the SVD fathers, the team at Gyan Ashram. I'd like to thank your parents for giving you this opportunity. Many do not have it. And let us grow in this. At the end of our lives, it is not just only education that is there. It is important. You need to know 2 plus 2 is 4 and not 5. But you also need to use your God-given talents that you got, be it singing, dancing, playing some music, playing games, whatever it is. So once again, God bless you, dear Father, for organizing this for the children of this locality so that they may grow. And thank you, dear parents, for encouraging your children. God bless you all.
Once again, put your hands together for our Chief Guest, everyone. Father Francisco Pereira, everyone. Well, now we would like to request our Chief Guest to give the certificates for the Group B and Group C children. Group B Captain, Ms. Navina Magan. Please come. Put your hands together for everybody. She's going to collect the certificates on behalf of all the Group B students. And from Group C, we have got the captain of Group C, Sanchita Singh, who will collect the certificates on behalf of all the Group C students. Put your hands together, everybody. Come on, make some noise, everyone. Thank you, Father. Thank you. Well, there is a prize for the students over here. Which group keeps quiet till the end of the program? That full group will get a prize. Is it Group A, Group B or Group C? Disqualified this group. जो ग्रुप एंड तक बात नहीं करेगा वो ग्रुप को प्राइज मिलने वाला है. अभी आप लोग आपके ग्रुप को पकड़ के रखो. Thank you. Moving on, we have got the next. We have got the next performance, that is the Koli dance. Welcome to Maharashtra, everybody. The Koli dance. Welcome to Mumbai, everybody. Koli dance. Amchi Mumbai, everybody. Put your hands together for the students trained by our very own Lakshmi teacher from the Gyanashram Music and Dance Academy. Make some noise for our children who are set to mesmerize each and one of you all. And the song they are going to dance is, any idea, anyone? Huh? Roly Poly? Me, I, Koli. Sing, you know the line. Say, me, I. Very good, very good, very good. Because I forgot the words.
कोली सुरीला डोली मुंबईच्या किनारी अगं मार्किन कोली हल्लन गोली गचल जाऊ पातारी कोली सुरीला डोली मुंबईच्या किनारी अगं मार्किन कोली हल्लन गोली गचल जाऊ पातारी हाय कोली सुरीला डोली मुंबईच्या किनारी अगं मार्किन कोली हल्लन गोली गचल जाऊ पातारी
सोनेरी लाटा त्याव माझं वर्त तरतय रुपेरी वालू सोनेरी राटा त्याबो माझा वर्ग करतय कोणी रेशीने हो कोणी गावीने हो सांग तुझ्या मनानं काय करतय कोणी रेशीने हो कोणी गावीने हो सांग तुझ्या मनानं काय करतय कोणी रेशीने हो कोणी गावीने हो सांग तुझ्या मनानं काय करतय
Put your hands together, everybody, for the lovely students for an amazing and heart-throbbing Koli dance. Make some noise! Well, now we have got the next performance, but before that, we have got one spot prize. And this spot prize is for all the daddies, all the fathers out there. सब पिताजी लोग सुनो. Any father out there who has got the family photograph in his wallet, please come here. Family photograph in his wallet. His wife, his children. The bigger the family, the bigger the prize. Come here. Raj sir is waiting for you all. Sorry, Mark sir is waiting. Mark sir, please come. Raj sir is busy right now. I'm waiting. Who can come? Which father is coming? All the wives see properly. No father is coming. They are hiding the family photograph. कोई नहीं आ रहा है. Mark, see who is coming. All right. Check. Who has got the maximum number of people in the photograph? That person is the winner. All right. We have got one mark.
Okay, what's your name, sir? Sandeep D'Souza. We already got. Yeah? Yeah, the family. Already got it? We got it already. That's the highest number?
That's what he said, highest number.
Yeah. Okay, you already got 3. So we got 4. The 4. Come. Father Chinnappa, please come forward. Yeah. So, come on, give him a big hand. Come on, Ozzy, sir. Everybody. Wow.
Ballet with a beautiful message to all of you all. It has been choreographed by Raj sir and the song has been composed by Father Salet. Everybody, I need everyone to pay attention. It has got a beautiful message out here. A Qawwali music ballet. Everybody kindly be seated. Children, please don't play among yourselves. It is not break time. Your friends are performing on stage. Please don't move around. This is a very important dance which has got a beautiful message to all of you all. So kindly be seated and no noise. Pink shirts. All right. Raj sir, when you're ready, you can start.
ये जीवन है भगवान की देन रे, उसे ना खोना चाहिए। ये शरीर है जीवन का अंग रे,
उसे ना खोना चाहिए। जीवन से प्यार करो रे, सच्चे दिल संवारो, प्यार करो रे, सच्चे दिल संवारो, तन मन धन से पूजा करो रे। ना बिगाड़ो ना, ना बिगाड़ो ना बुरी आदतों से रे, उसे ना खोना चाहिए। ये जीवन है भगवान की देन रे, उसे ना खोना चाहिए।
क्या आदमी है? कितना सिगरेट पीते हो? सिगरेट पीना बुरी बात है, छोड़ो।
अरे तुम क्या मुझे समझाएगा? तुझे मालूम नहीं मुझे कितना टेंशन है। ये टेंशन भुलाने के लिए तो मैं पीता हूँ यार।
अरे यार इसे छोड़ो, स्मोकिंग इज इंजरियस टू हेल्थ। तनाव, टेंशन, डिप्रेशन हटाने का ये उपाय नहीं है। इन सबको दूर करने के लिए बीड़ी सिगरेट की जरूरत नहीं है। इससे तो आपका टेंशन और बढ़ जाएगा।
सुनो यार, ये सही बोल रहा है। इससे आपकी शरीर की बीमारी 100% और कैंसर का धोखा पक्का।
बराबर है, इसे छोड़िए। क्यों अपनी जिंदगी बर्बाद कर रहे हो? भगवान ने आपको इतना कीमती सुंदर शरीर दिया है, उसे क्यों बर्बाद कर रहे हो? छोड़ो इसे।
ठीक है। आप कहते तो इसे मैं छोड़ रहा हूं। जिंदगी में अभी कभी भी मैं सिगरेट नहीं पीऊंगा।
वो जाने वाले कभी नहीं आते हैं, जाने वालों की सिर्फ याद आती है, जीवन एक मंदिर है, उसे ना दबाओ, ना बिगाड़ो ना, ना बिगाड़ो ना बुरी आदतों से, उसे ना खोना चाहिए। ये जीवन है भगवान की देन रे, उसे ना खोना चाहिए। जीवन से प्यार करो रे, सच्चे दिल संवारो, प्यार करो रे, सच्चे दिल संवारो, तन मन धन से पूजा करो रे। ना बिगाड़ो ना बुरी आदतों से, उसे ना खोना चाहिए। ये जीवन है भगवान की देन रे, उसे ना खोना चाहिए।
हेलो हेलो मम्मी। हाँ, आवाज नहीं आ रही है। हेलो मम्मी। हेलो, कौन बोल रहे? हाँ हाँ मम्मी, फाइल मैंने रखा है। हाँ हाँ, मुझे स्कूल जाने का है। रुक ना, मैं बात कर रही हूँ ना, डिस्टर्ब मत कर। हाँ हेलो हेलो मम्मी। हाँ हाँ, वो फाइल मैंने रखा है। मम्मी मेरी बॉटल होगा। मम्मी मेरा टिफिन कहाँ पर है? हो जाएगा, बैठ उधर। हेलो हेलो।
मोबाइल आज सबसे बड़ी बीमारी है।
मोबाइल जरूरी है, लेकिन उसका सही इस्तेमाल करो।
इस मोबाइल के गैर इस्तेमाल के कारण बहुत सारी दुर्घटनाएं हो रही है। ये तो एक एडिक्शन है यार, उसे दूर रहो।
संभालो अपने आप को।
ये जीवन है भगवान की देन रे, उसे ना खोना चाहिए। ये शरीर है जीवन का अंग रे, उसे ना खोना चाहिए। जीवन से प्यार करो रे, सच्चे दिल संवारो, प्यार करो रे, सच्चे दिल संवारो, तन मन धन से पूजा करो रे। ना बिगाड़ो ना, ना बिगाड़ो ना बुरी आदतों से, उसे ना खोना चाहिए। ये जीवन है भगवान की देन रे उसे ना खुदा चाहिए
Dear parents, put your hands together for the students for a lovely, amazing Qawwali musical ballet. I hope so. The message is straight and out to everyone. Yes or no? So once again, children, thank you so much. Round of applause for them. Come on, everyone. Well, I would like to invite children all sit here, huh? Otherwise you will not get certificate. Wait, you cannot go. All right, I would like to invite Father Chinnappan to please come out over here and enlighten every one of you all with the lovely vote of thanks. Everybody, put your hands together for Father Chinnappan, everyone. Come on, make some noise for him. Yes, Father.
Dear friends, are you enjoying the programs? Loudly, come on. Superb. Well begun is half done, okay? So I am here with an attitude of gratitude to thank all who made this summer camp program a great success. First of all, we thank God the Almighty for being with us all the time. We thank the chief guest of the day, Father Francisco Pereira, STB, for accepting our invitation and gracing this event and encouraging all our students and teachers. We thank you, dear Father, for your support and for your guidance. Thank you very much. We thank Mr. Satish Mishra, an associate editor, Now Bharat Times, who is with us today as guest of honor. Dear sir, really your presence brought us great joy and happiness. Thank you very much. We thank all the fathers, sisters, and brothers. Indeed, it is great joy for all of us. Your presence added beauty to our programs. Thank you, dear fathers and sisters. We thank all the teachers and volunteers. Can you guess how many teachers and volunteers for this program overall? We have more than 30. Give them a round of applause. 30 teachers and volunteers who taught all our students in an efficient manner. It is because of your hard work that could have this program. We had wonderful program. Thank you very much, dear teachers and volunteers. We thank all the parents, grandparents, and students for your valuable cooperation and participation. We thank you, dear parents and grandparents and students. We thank all our staff, beginning from Father Salet, Father Itup, Father Joseph, Father Joe, and our employees, Mr. Saroj, Francis, Jolina, Prabha, Namrata, and Rosie for their committed service. We also thank Mr. Karuna Shetty for this wonderful stage and lights and beautiful backdrops. And also we thank Mr. Abe for the excellent sound system. We thank Sir Osman, who efficiently kept up the sequence of the program and beautifully compared the entire program. Thank you, dear Osman. Give him a round of applause. We thank Mr. Robert, the photographer, who keenly captured the moments of the day. Thank you, dear Robert. We thank Mr. Samuel, who sponsored fruity and snacks for the children during. Thank you, sir. God bless you. Now I call upon Father Salit. Father, please come here. He is the man behind the show. You know how many hours he worked, we cannot imagine. He went to different places, he put ads in the newspapers, and most of you got through newspaper, right? About this program. And really, Father, we thank you for your wonderful initiatives. It's the first time we are doing here after the COVID. So we'll be keep doing, and God bless you, Father.
I like to thank Father Chinna. Every community there is a treasurer. So Father Chinna is our administrator and treasurer. Whenever I needed any support with regard to finance, Father Chinna was very, very willing and helping me. So give him a big round of applause to Father Chinna. Now I like to felicitate all the teachers, volunteers. We had almost 172 students, 49 teachers and volunteers. Really, it's a great success. Thank you, thank you. Now I like to call upon all the teachers and volunteers, please come to the dais. Okay, I like to call upon Sir Raj, Shobhika, Prabjit Madam, Sir Gosavi Sir, Dhirendra Sir, Teacher Mansi, Teacher Lakshmi, Sir Osman Sir, Sir Mark, Teacher Vanessa, Teacher Arpana, Teacher Nikita, Teacher Jacqueline, Teacher Keka Nandi, Teacher Basant, Teacher Rebecca, Teacher Sir Liaquat, Dr. John, volunteers, Dr. John, Richard, Melanie, Sheba, Flavia, Grace, Jesna, Jaden, Nurse Mala is here, Nurse Mala, Dr. Archana, Mario, Nandu Lakshmi, all are here, please. All the teachers, volunteers, please come forward. Please, please. There are some more teachers, volunteers, they were not able to come due to their work. So, yes. Sir Praveen is also here. Sir Praveen. So once again, dear teachers, I am so grateful to all of you. Really, you all worked hard, and our summer camp 2024 became successful. Thank you very much. God bless you. So on behalf of our Jnana Ashram community, I request Father Chinna to give you a small gift, a gift of love, a gift of gratitude. Thank you. Please give them a big hand, please, please. Some music sort of congratulations like that. Come. Really, they really worked hard. Whenever I approached them, they were willing to help me out. Thank you once again, teachers, doctors. Okay. I request our employees, Francis, Saroj, Jerina, Prabha, Namrita, and Rosie. Please, our employees, if they are in the crowd, please come to the stage. Please come to the stage. Prabha, Namrita. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Now, there are two main coordinators who really helped our summer camp. Can you guess who must be two main coordinators? Sir, Raju sir and Shopika. Please come forward. So give them round of applause as Father does a shawl. Yes. Wow, good. Give them round of applause. Daughter and father, okay? Very promising daughter. She's a very good dancer. Good. God bless you, sir. Raj sir, yeah. Also, I'd like to thank all my staff members. Father Itub, Joseph, Chinna, Joe Prabhu, and we have also Father Valerian. He also used to come and help us. So thanks to all of them. So once again, thank you very much. And we have got one more program. That's all. Thank you very much. Thank you, Chinna. Thank you, all the teachers. Thank you. Yeah. Fast. Center. Fast. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much, Father Salet, for giving me so wonderful opportunity to lead this summer camp, and it was a really very wonderful experience and to lead this summer camp. And all kids, I know we are going to miss you because we were there with you last 24 days, and now this is the last day, and really we are going to miss you. Okay, so take care, and thank you so much once again, Father Salet, for giving me this opportunity. Okay, we have our last performance of the evening, that is retro dance. Yeah, it is choreographed by me only and Shobika. Thank you so much.
For this evening, all the children get set for the retro dance. Come on, parents, make some noise.
Hey, come on.
अभी ये सर पम कौन है? अच्छा पम ऐसा सर पम ये सर पम कौन है? Come on everybody, put your hands together for the last item of summer.
Who's come? Mommy's come.
Well parents, you can see on the left hand side all the drawings and paintings done by our children. You can take a glance before you leave. And that also lets me to let you know that we have got drawing classes also in Gyan Ashram. So once again, parents, it's an earnest request. Do let your child join Gyan Ashram Music and Dance Academy and let them avail the different facilities of music, dance, yoga, meditation, karaoke, and also the live studio what we have got over here. So for the last time, put your hands together, everyone.
महफिल ऐ शमा फिरती हो कहाँ, महफिल ऐ शमा फिरती हो कहाँ।
कौन जाना ढूंढती हूँ, वो दीवाना ढूंढती हूँ, जला कर जो छिप गया है, वो परवाना ढूंढती हूँ।
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
और मिट्टू याद चला तेरी गली नजरे जो मिलाई मची है खलबली, और मिट्टू याद चला तेरी गली। दिल बाग बाग हो मेरा तुम्हारा हो गया, तुम धाड़ धाड़ नजरों से चार चलाई गोली। ओ जूलिया ओ जूलिया दिल ये तेरा होलिया, जूलिया जूलिया दिल ये तेरा होलिया। जब जब पड़ गया तो प्यार स्कूली चल गया, पागल होलिया। ओ जब पड़ गया तो प्यार स्कूली चल गया, पागल होलिया।
everyone. Come on, clap your hands once, everyone. Put your hands together, everyone. Come on. Everybody make some noise for the students of the summer camp in the Gyan Ashram Music and Dance Academy. Everyone! Well, it's really amazing to see the energy level. The children were here from 4 o'clock. They came in the morning also as well. Put your hands together for our lovely children, everyone. Come on. And not to forget, you, my dear parents, for being such an amazing audience. Clap for yourself. Children, clap for your parents. Come on. Make some noise for your parents. Come on. Well, now I would like to invite all the teachers on stage as we are going to sing the national anthem, requesting everyone to kindly stand. And after the national anthem, requesting all of you all to sit down once again, because the children are going to get some further instructions which they have to follow. So please keep standing for the national anthem. Requesting all the teachers, sirs, to please come on stage as we sing. Wait. Teachers are still coming now.
रिकॉर्ड नहीं लगाएगा
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की